In this video, we're going to be trying out one of the oldest versions of Blender, and the reason why it's not the oldest, I'll explain in just a minute. But it's a different type of video, obviously not a tutorial like all my other videos, and I thought I'd try it out. It's something that I thought that I don't think anyone would have done, but to my surprise, also not to my surprise, other people have done it. So I think the goal for this video is to try and be able to make something. I'm not too sure whether to model something or to like texture or just to do something in this old version of Blender. So without further ado, let's begin. Before we get started, I'm gonna real quick show you guys how to download the older versions of Blender. So obviously you go to the website that you probably don't know called blender.org, where you download Blender. No surprise. Anyways, so you go to the top that says download, or you can press download right over there on the home menu, and then you have all these sections on the top: demo files, previous versions, and experimental builds. You want to click previous versions, of course, and then go to right away to download any Blender. Then it'll show you this very weird looking page, just an archive of all the different versions of Blender if you want to go back to it. And I think this is very useful because sometimes you have certain things or certain plugins that don't work in the newer versions of Blender, so that way they have these older versions, so that way you can try them out in case you might have uninstalled or if you just never had them to begin with. The oldest version of Blender is of course Blender 1.0, however, I can't get it to work on my computer. People have done it before, but you have to go through like this whole process and like this whole like simulation sort of thing. I'm not entirely too sure. So the version that I have is Blender 2.26 instead of Blender 1.0, unfortunately. They look the same, surprisingly. So I guess that doesn't really matter too much, I would say. So once you download it, this is what it looks like. Very different from what I'm used to, at least in 2.3 point whatever I'm at right now, and it's very different. I think this is view orthographic view. Anyways, the thing that I'm intimidated the most is this layout, and I do remember seeing this in older videos of people showcasing the older version of Blender before. How they were able to do this, I have no clue. I think the current version of Blender is already confusing as is, although 2.8 made it a lot better looking, but gosh damn. So I have the lamp, material buttons, texture, and nothing is on so far. Animation, real time. I wonder if the game engine is sort of ingrained into this. I don't know when the Blender game engine was implemented in this, but maybe I could try use the game engine sometime as another video idea. I'm not too sure. Just trying to get used to these. Oh, they have the layer. Oh wow, I forgot this is what the layer buttons used to look like. Even in the newer interface, the layers were like this rather than like, I think we have the drop down menu now. I don't know why I say I think, I know that. But we have a drop down menu, which is a lot more better. These were just always confusing to me. Perspective. Oh, okay, so this is what I'm used to. I'm not too sure what to call this perspective mode. I usually just call it the non-orthographic view, but orthographic is like this, which is the bottom option, and then the middle wasn't what we were used to. What is this one? Oh, I guess that's just 2D, I guess. Let me see. Shift A works as usual. Tab is edit as usual. Oh right, it's the old version, so I think I have to click with the right mouse button. Funny enough, when 2.8 came out, I actually stayed with the old controls of Blender because I was just so used to it. But then I finally decided to switch to left click in order to select things. That's really interesting. G also still works as your typical moving or grab tool. R also works. Can I press R again to the, okay. R, I know you've pressed R 2 times, you do like that free rotation sort of thing instead of rotating on the axis. E, oh, extrude, okay. Okay, so that works, I guess. Extruding. I wonder if, oh, I see. Okay. So I guess Z is how to view it as a solid instead of just the vertices. Why is it like that by default? I don't know. Create frame. I don't think I know how to add a material. Oh, wait, did I do it? Browse data. I don't know if I just did it. Color. How to change the color. Can I have reflection. Alpha. Okay, I don't think that works, or I don't know how to use it. Emission. I'm assuming, okay, that is emission. It's glowing at least. Yeah, okay, that's a mission. I'll keep it at a mission for now. No, I'm just kidding. I want to put the specular. Oh right, I think I need a lamp. Let me try add that lamp. Wait, is that it? Can I change this? Is this the sun? No. What is this? I don't know. Lamp, shadow, spheres, halo. Oh, is this the? Those are the different types. Oh no, sorry, my bad. That's just what to, I think, what to display. I'm not too sure. Spot, sun. Give me sun. Okay. If I can at least get the sun to go how I want it to, then we're all good. What if I made it rotate the other direction? No, it still turns white. I think that's literally just the reflection. How do I not know this? Oh, this is so weird. I don't know how to play with the materials on this. How do I go to the UV? Okay, you know what? How about we do this? Let's try something different. Let's try and create something. I'll start off, just ignore the sun. I'll try and, okay. Let's try create. I have a new video coming soon, and it's a devlog. I'm gonna try it out. But I want to try create something from that devlog that I have. Mesh cylinder. Try super low poly with 8 vertices. Oh come on! Why did it spawn it like that? You couldn't have just aligned it proper. How do I? And okay, so I don't know how to. Okay, whatever. Dude, this is so frustrating. How did people work with this? They did if I'm correct, the foundation. They did was it called the foundation back then? They did an open movie before with their old version of Blender. They did at least one. I don't remember what it's called, but I never watched it either. I only saw a preview of it. How did they work in the space? It's so hard. Okay, wait, let's just give a reference real quick. So when you're moving around the 3D space, when you're moving the middle mouse button, first off, it starts on non-orthographic, and then when you're moving it, it's very, like, it moves with the cursor itself on all the axes. That's pretty good, you know? It's very accurate to how you want to navigate around this cube, let's say. But when you go to this, it's so weird. It's not the same. Okay, I'm going to duplicate that, and I'll duplicate that. We're gonna try and connect these two together. Okay, so without deleting the faces, since I can't do that for whatever reason. I can't do it for whatever reason. Let me just try and connect them. This looks so weird. It's just so weird to navigate, and like even to place items too, or to place meshes. Like it's so different. Can I merge? Okay, Alt, Control, just normal end, Shift M. Okay, it just wants me to move it to another layer, so I can't merge these two vertices together, unfortunately. I don't think that was a thing back then yet. Okay, I can do it like this. The only problem is, it's there. I have 3 random tries. All of a sudden, everything else is a quad, so that's gonna be a little bit of a oopsies. But that's because I can't merge these together. So that's that. And then I can. Okay, so oh my gosh, can I not? Okay, wait, hold on. I might be doing this the hard way. Can I not select like faces? Why am I only selecting vertices? Can I move it on any axis? Wait, so I can rotate on the axes, but I can't. That makes no sense. So I can rotate, but I can't move them on the axes. That actually makes no sense. Okay, so I can make bends at least. I wonder if I can I bevel? Okay, no, I don't think I can. The only thing I'm still confused is that why do I have to select this middle part? I wonder if I can actually just, I wonder if I can actually deactivate that middle part and see what happens if I only drag out the outside. Okay. Wow, really? That actually makes no sense now. So if I drag them without the middle vertice, hold on. So like I know, so this makes less sense now, because not only is this an end gun by default, which is normal even in modern Blender, you just have to fix it yourself. It's a very simple how to do it. But why would the end gun have a middle vertex point? That's just confusing now. I think I'm done for now, because this is looking so awful. Let me try and at least fix the sun so that it looks a little bit better. Okay. One last ditch effort, I try and create a dumb version of Kirby. I'm trying to dumb down the lighting so that it... Okay. That's better. Okay, well, it was better. That's a lot better than how it was, at least, because the lighting was so strong. Okay, so I can't stretch it on certain axes, so I'm not entirely too sure how I'm going to create the legs and stuff, but oh my goodness, I wonder how to squash it. I think this is the best that we're I think this is the best that we're gonna get for Kirby, because I have no idea how to texture, I have no idea how to make proper materials, and I don't know how to squish meshes. I can't control for anything, so I think this is the best I'm gonna get in a medieval ancient blender. But you know what the moment of truth is? The moment of truth is to see how it looks on the camera. There's no way this is gonna look that bad. Oh, okay, he's just small, so I guess I gotta keep it close. Why do I have to keep it close? That makes no sense. What is the range on this thing? I think that's good. Let me try it out. That's still okay. There must be something else with this. Wait, wait, does the camera not matter? Is it just my angle? Wait, hold on. Let me try and, because if I do it like this. Okay, so it renders out from how, okay, what if I do it like this then? Okay, am I the camera? Oh my gosh, I'm so confused on how this version works. Anyways, that was my take on Blender 2.26. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, do leave a like so that more people can find this very dumb video. And if you guys are new to the channel, I'm Joshua via TooEazyCG. Sorry that my hair is a bit of a mess, I don't know why, but I make tutorials typically in the node editor, procedural stuff, or just kind of tips and tricks on how to do whatever. You guys can check out the channel at least. You don't have to subscribe, but I would appreciate it if you guys do subscribe. And not to plug myself in, but I do have a new shop on my website. Go to TooEazyCG.com/shop or TooEazyCG.com/qualitytrash, since that's the name of the shop. It's Quality Trash Apparel, and I kind of make designs and put them on shirts. But yeah, I appreciate it if you go check out the shop. Thanks for watching this very odd, different, dumb video. Maybe I'll do it again, like I said, for the 3rd time, who knows. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Take it easy. Peace.